Hello and welcome. We have another question on the board. We have the square root of 49 squared plus 49 plus 50 is equal to what? So let us go ahead and simplify this question. Now, solution. So we have the square root of 49 squared plus 49 plus 50. If we simplify, what does it result into? What will be our final answer? Okay, so let us start with 49. We have 49 squared and we have 49. We can factor out 49 from there. Okay, so if we do that, we get 49 into 49 plus 1 plus 50. Okay, now we have 49. 49 plus 1 will give us what? 49 plus 1 gives us 50 plus 50, which is this one. Now, 49 and 50 are multiplying. Then we have a plus sign and we have another 50. This means that we can actually factor out 50 from this question. If you look at this properly, we have 50 here. So this 50 is the same thing as saying 50 times 1. So we kind of have two numbers multiplying themselves in brackets separated by a positive sign. So if we take the factor 50, so we have 50. On the left hand side, if we factor out 50, we only have 49 left, plus we factor out 50 on the right hand side here. What we have left is 1. Okay, so here we have 50 times 49 plus 1 is also 50. So now we have 50 times square root of 50 times 50. 50 times 50 is the same thing as 50 squared, or 2500. Okay, so we have square root of 50 squared. Now we know that square root is the same thing as raised to power 1 over 2. So we have 50 squared times 1 divided by 2. So now these powers can cancel out. Okay, and what we have left is just 50. So after simplifying the square root of 49 squared plus 49 plus 50, the final answer is 50. And I hope that you've been able to learn something new today.